What happens when a party to the suit remains absent on the day of hearing? Generally, there are two parties to a civil suit, namely the plaintiff and the defendant. The plaintiff is the person who brings his claims and allegations against the defendant in the form of plaint, and the defendant is the person who brings his defense against the claims and allegations that are put forward by the plaintiff in the form of his written statement. Now, when the plaintiff remains absent on the day of hearing that is fixed by the court, in that case, the court has a discretion either to adjourn the hearing onto a next date or to dismiss the suit. If the court adjourns the date of hearing, in that case, the plaintiff has to satisfy the court that as to why he was absent on the day of hearing. If the court is satisfied with his reasons, then it will impose cost on the plaintiff and proceed as usual. But if the court, upon its discretionary powers, dismisses the suit in case of absence of plaintiff, in that case, the plaintiff has an opportunity to apply for setting aside the dismissal of order of the court, and the plaintiff has to satisfy the court by giving a reasonable cause as to why he did not appear on the previous day of hearing. If the court is satisfied with the plaintiff's reasonable cause, then in that case, the court will proceed with the suit as usual. And if the defendant remains absent, in that case, the court will only listen to the plaintiff's claims and allegations that he brings against the defendant and will accordingly give the judgment in favor of the plaintiff and against the defendant. This proceeding, in which the court only listens to the plaintiff's side and gives accordingly the judgment against the defendant, is known as ex parte proceeding. Ex parte proceeding refers to the proceeding in which the court listens only to one party, that is the plaintiff's side, and gives accordingly the judgment in absence of the defendant. This was all about what happens when the parties to the suit do not appear in the court of law on the date of hearing fixed by the court. And this is dealt under Order 9 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908. To know more about such kind of videos, subscribe to my channel Easy Legal. Thank you.